If you are saying you're doing
saying if we are doing job
Yeah.
or we are doing business,
Huh.
everyone is working under someone.
Yes, I clearly said that one.
Okay.
So thankful for that one. I
Okay.
said that.
Okay.
So I want to add one thing that you said that if you are in job, you are working under someone, but and you are doing you are sometimes you are doing the stuff that you don't want to do. But in life, we have to sometimes we have if we want to grow, we have to do the things we don't like. Like if you are hitting the gym, you don't want to do the last year, but the trainer forces us to do. Why? Because we want after the we hit the rank, we just it enhances our power. Similarly in business, similarly in job, when we are doing the things that we don't like, it is for our good sake. He is not forcing us to. He is not forcing us to do the things that would not benefit him, right?
Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, but sometimes the thing is that in jobs, what I see that we have to do means they don't considerate our problems when we do jobs. I supported jobs, but throughout the discussion, my mindset has been changed now. So in jobs, we have to do overtime. We can't give our time to our families. We can't spend time for us.